So in this video, we will start looking at autofill feature of Microsoft Excel. It is a very great feature that helps us a lot of time when it comes to automatically fill in some predefined details. Let us take a look at it. So here in say cell I5, I start by typing in Monday, okay? And we know we can use this small square to copy data, copy formulas we have done in our previous lesson. If I use the same thing here, if I take this white cross sign, go on that black square, when I get that black plus sign there and try to click and drag, you can see automatically it is giving me Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then if I go more ahead, it will repeat the days. Okay, so I come here till Sunday, and if I leave my mouse here, it automatically fills in rest of the days for me. So instead of typing in the days, it is the autofill feature is giving me the days automatically, saving a lot of time, right? Let me just delete this and try MON. Will this work only vertically? No. If I click the cell here and try to click and drag the cells on the right hand side, even then I think we get the autofill data. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and in the short forms of the days as well. So MONTUE, we are getting the data. Obviously this saves a lot of time. So now Monday, Tuesday, all these are names of the days. Excel understands it and it gives us the next days automatically. What if we want to repeat numbers? Say for example, if I type in 2016. Now 2016 for me is a year and I want the next years to be repeated down there. But for Excel, it cannot be necessarily a year. It can also be a normal number or a currency or an amount, right? For Excel. So when I try to click and drag right now from 2016, it tends to repeat the same number, 2016 only, right? Because Excel is not able to understand a pattern here. So we will need to give Excel a pattern. So let's say after 2016, if I type 2017 and select both now. Now Excel maybe will able to understand the pattern I'm trying to create here. I come to this black square and click and drag. Now see, it is giving me 2018, 2019, 20, 21 and 22 and I can click. So Excel autofill feature, okay, understands the pattern that I want to get repeated and it helps me get that without me typing in the data, and it helps me to save a lot of time. Okay, so in similar format we have our months here, Jan, Feb, March. What if I select them, all three of them, and then try to drag? Say we are getting April, May, and let me go till December here. See, we get all our months without typing them in and saving a lot of time. Okay, so that's autofill feature for you from Microsoft Excel. Here instead of sheet 3, let me rename sheet 3 because this is showing let's say the revenues for the year 2021 and in lakhs. So instead of sheet 3, I can rename the sheet for 2021. So to do that, we have multiple ways. Very first is we can double click on sheet 3. It gives me option to type in and replace the character sheet 3 there. Another option is right click the sheet 3 there and click on this option, rename. When I click on rename, again it gives me the option of renaming or replacing those characters there, and right now I'm typing in 2021 and press enter. The rest of the two sheets I don't want, so I can come here, right click, delete. I can come to sheet 2, right click, delete, and I stay with my sheet 2021 here. Okay, so that's autofill feature, renaming the sheets for you, and let's move on to some formatting features in our next video.